Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up our famous bacon burger bombs at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, here I've got about 3 pounds of chuck roast. Sometimes it's referred to as a pot roast, all right? And here we've got some peppers. These are serrano peppers. You could use a pickled jalapeno, but you got to use the pickled. And for this recipe, you're going to need some pork belly bacon. Get a good quality of pork belly bacon. Now, we're going to grind up this chuck roast right here, right? We're going to make burger out of it. And this is definitely the meat of choice for a top shelf burger, right? Get yourself some chuck or ground chuck or a chuck roast like this and grind it up yourself. All right. Now, you can choose to chill it first if you're going to use a meat grinder, and you can throw it in the freezer for a bit just to firm it up. Or if you got a good meat grinder, you just run it right through, all right? This is going to be good. Now, like I said, grind your own, whatever you can. It beats one of those cordless meat grinders, right? Perfect. A nice coarse blend. All right. The chuck has been ground up. And now, of course, we're going to flavor the meat. And we're using our SPG, maybe a couple tablespoons to this about 3 pounds of ground chuck. Mix it up good. And, of course, you can season it the way you like. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make some meatballs, right? And you know how to do that. I probably don't have to show you that. But make them fairly good size, just like that. Oh. Now, if you're asking what the hell is a bacon burger bomb, well, you got to check this out. Just some real good eating at the pit. Or take it tailgating. You can make them up the evening before or whatever. But let me forewarn you, you better make a bunch because they're going to go real quick, right? Again, roll them up like a meatball, right? Now, you take a slice of that pork belly bacon and you wrap it around, right? Squeeze it a bit. It'll kind of come together. And you don't need a toothpick to keep the bacon on, right? Now, we need a place for the wick. So we're going to take this serrano chili pepper, wick and all, put it inside, and there's your bacon burger bomb. All right, let me do another one for you, just in case you fell asleep. You form the meatball, take one slice of bacon and wrap it, and the bacon will stick on there like glue. Now, put a hole in it any way you want. And take one of your chili peppers and put it right in. Now we're using a pickled pepper. You don't want to use a fresh pepper. You want all the flavorings that come in the brine of these pickled peppers. All right, in the miracle of time, we're moving right along. This is the hard part, right? Again, put a hole in there, drop that pepper in, and it's good. Kind of like doing this, it should keep it going, right? All right, the bacon burger bombs have been formed, and we're going to put them on a cookie sheet or a baking sheet, right? And we've got a grate underneath there, so we'll keep it off the bottom of the pan so the juices drip free while we're cooking. All right. It's good. Take a look at that. And like I said, make a bunch. You can make them up the evening before, and you just light the wick, and they're done. No, it's not that easy. We're going to take it out to the grill. It's a bit chilly today. About 15 degrees Fahrenheit with a 0 degrees wind chill. Well, we're going to throw it on the grill. All right. The grill has already been fired up. We're doing indirect grilling here, or heating, right? We got the charcoal on one side. We're going to run a temperature of about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want to cook them too fast. This will allow the bacon to hold on real tight to those meatballs. And of course, you come to the pit, kick back, and eat. All right. Yeah, we're about halfway through, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and we're just going to turn this pan around so we get some of that even cooking going on. Now, of course, you may not have to do that with your grill setup. Whoa, are you kidding me? Yeah, take a look at that. They're almost done. Bacon is just about the way we like it. Of course, you decide how much you want to cook that bacon. It's damn close, right? Can you smell that? It smells good. All right. Hey, maybe another 10, 15 minutes. Oh, I say it's time to eat. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. Where the hell is Martha? Oh, she left. All right. To hell with that 0-degree Fahrenheit wind chill, right? Back in the camp. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. We call this finger food. And of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. Man. Full of that serrano pickled flavor, wrapped in that smoky bacon. Yeah. It is good. Now, as always, we like to cut these in two. Here you go. Look at that. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.